Dear student, today I am going to discuss about the Java compiler or Java interpreter. But before understanding the Java compiler and interpreter, we understand what is the actual concept of compiler and what is the use of the compiler. So we understand that compiler. Okay, so compiler is actually compiler is a Java compiler is translator program that translates our program, whole program at once. That means you can say that compiler will translate our program. To translate our high level programs or high level languages into machine level language. That means we can easily understand that compiler will convert our programs into the machine level. So if you have written any program, this is your program, and this will converted by the compiler into the machine code. But one thing is clear, that Java compiler or any compiler, it will complete. That means whole program converts, okay, at once. Whole program converts at once. Second thing is that it translates in a machine code directly. So compiler will completely executing our language. Like that one example you understand. So in a QBasic or in C++ we have written that, suppose this code is that cout hello. Another line is that cout Sanjay. Okay, two lines here written, and that one indel we write here also. Okay, so these codes, these programs, this is our program. Compiler will convert into the machine code, into the machine code, and this is the machine code, that 1001111011100011110, like that. This is machine code. So it is clear that our program written one will be converted into the machine code with the help of the compiler, and computer will understand this. That means compiler is needed, because when we are going to completely interact with the computer, we are not knowing that computer's language, that is binary, that is machine language, low level language. That we are writing our program in a high level language, using that English alphabets, using the English words. We will write our English words or English alphabets and that code or instructions in a particular programming language. So it will be converted with the help of the compiler into the machine code that machine can understand, that computer can understand and execute and work according to given instructions code in a program. So this is the purpose of the compiler. Now we understand about that interpreter. So in such a way, if you understand that one program, if you have 5 lines or 10 lines, that all 10 programs it will convert all together and it will give that machine code. But one thing is there, if any error is there in a compilation, so suppose your program is there and compiling, and if any error is there, so it will give you that message. So in this line of the program there is some error, and you will remove that error according to that particular programming language. If syntax is there, proper way that you are not using, you have not written. So compiler will give you instructions or message that you will remove that error. After removing that error, that compiler will convert into the machine code. Okay, and then computer will execute the program and you will get the output. So that means compiler will make your program error free also. Compiler will make your program error free also. Now we understand about that interpreter. Interpreter. Okay, what do you mean about that interpreter? That we understand. Interpreter is also the translator to convert our program that is written in high level language, okay, into machine code or low level. Machine code means low level. Now you understand, it will also convert our program into the machine code. Compiler will also convert the program into the machine code. But another thing is that it converts one line or statement of program at one. Okay, एक बार में, that means one time it will execute, it will convert, it will make error free only one line of the program. Each time after executing each line, after converting each line, it will go to the next line. After converting one line, it will convert it to the machine code, execute, and then it will convert another line. That means it will convert line by line. So it will convert line by line of the program. So that means if you have written one program, so this is the program in high level language, you have written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So interpreter will convert each line. That means interpreter will convert. So you can say that interpreter converts each line. That means this line will convert into the machine code. After executing, that means 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1, machine executed and computer given that output according to this one line. After that again, so this line will execute, that means this line will convert. So after converting again, it will give that some code and it will execute by the computer. After again that means each time, each line will convert into the machine code and execute. Suppose in any line of your program error is there, at that time interpreter will give you the message. So in this line this is the error, you will remove that error and then it will execute the execution of that line, and after that continue like this. In such a way we come to at this topic that we can understand easily the comparison of the compiler and interpreter. Okay, so both is converting that our program into the machine code. Both are translator, but what is that differences? Difference is that compiler will convert the whole program at once after making error free and give the output. Interpreter converting each line of the program each time. Each time means one line at one time, making the error free, converting and executing, making that error free, converting and executing, making that error free, converting and executing, line by line. It means it's a clear that when we are using that compiler, it will work faster than interpreter. Suppose you have 10 lines and in 10 lines 7 lines you have made error. So 7 times it will interrupt, it will be removed, and according to that it will give the output. But compiler will make all the 7 errors together. You will make that error free, and then it will execute. So execution time will be faster in a compiler. Okay, in the interpreter will take the less speed, more speed not there. That compiler will do faster, and interpreter will take more time. This is the difference between the compiler and interpreter. Thank you.